Let's start with this question now. Valid palindrome. You all know what a palindrome is, right? It reads the same from forward as it does from backward. So we just need to check if a particular string is a palindrome. But there are some extra conditions here. It says that we need to convert all the uppercase letters into lowercase letters, and we don't need to consider the non-alphanumeric characters. So let's divide this problem in two parts. First, let's say that we have to make our new string in a way such that it fulfills this condition. It converts the uppercase into lowercase and also removes all alphanumeric. So part 1 will be to modify or make a new string. And part 2 will be pretty simple. We just need to check from both ways. That the idea is that we will have a left pointer pointing to the 0th index and a right pointer pointing to last index, and we will keep on checking them. If at a certain point characters at these two pointers don't match, then we can say that it is not a palindrome. And if at any case our left pointer is greater than our right pointer, then we can say that we have traversed all the characters, and so it is a palindrome. Okay, so in two parts. So let's look at the first part. Let's make a new string new s, and it says that we need to convert all upper into lower and also remove all non-alphanumeric. So let's say that so first case is if ch is alphanumeric. So in C++ there's a function for alphanumeric which is called isAlpha, ISALNUM, and I write ch. So if this is true, then what I need to do, I basically need to write something like, and I also need to convert it to lowercase. So it would be 2 lower ch. Alright. So now we have converted our string. Now the next step is pretty simple. We will just need two pointers. One left pointer pointing at 0th location and another one a right pointer pointing at the last index of my new string, like this. While my left is less than my right, what I do, I check if at any point my new s left is not equal to my new s right, so I directly return a false. And if that's not the case, I just increase my left pointer and decrease my right pointer, and in the end I return true. Okay, let's run and see if it passes our sample test cases. Okay. Alright, we are passing them. Before submitting it, let's discuss the time and space complexity of this. What will be the time complexity of this solution? I'm iterating through my input string s, and then I just have two pointers. Okay, and at a point, both my left and right pointers are increasing and decreasing by 1 respectively. So the time complexity is simple. It's just supposing that n is the length of my string s, it is big O of n. What is the space complexity? Space complexity, since we are creating another new string, so our space complexity can be of maximum size n, given n is the length of the string s. Now let's submit it. Okay, so now, okay, this is getting passed, no issues on that. So now can we improve on this solution? Can we improve the time complexity? Can it be better than O of n? Well, I don't think so. It can be better than O of n because we need to go through every character in our string. Only then we will know if they're matching with their last counterpart or not. So we need to have a two-pointer approach for sure. We can't improve on that. But do we need to create a new string to filter, to modify the characters of string s, such that only the alphanumeric characters and only lowercase characters are there? Do we need to form a new string? Well, I don't think so. Let's try without creating a new string. Okay, so I'll just remove all this. Let's start with just the two-pointer approach. Okay, all right. So there will be few extra conditions. Extra conditions will be if my character is not an alphanumeric character, then I don't need to look at that particular character. So if it is not alphanumeric, my s of left. Okay, if this is not true, then I just increase my left pointer. Okay, and also we need to have this same condition here as well, because if we keep on increasing our left pointer, this might, just to take care of this condition, we need to have it. Now similarly, we need to have a condition for a right as well. So if my right is not an alphanumeric character, what do? I just decrease my right. And now it will be the same thing. Once I have my alphanumeric and before that I also need to convert it to lower. So if 2 lower of this thing is not equal to 2 lower of my right part, then I can say it's return false, and then we increase our left pointer and decrease our right pointer respectively. Let's run and see if it passes. Yes, it does. So what did we do? We didn't use any extra space, so our space complexity is now constant. Let's try submitting it. Perfect.